Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. So going back in my archives a little bit, those of you that remember me building this assembly table, remember that I made it with a replaceable top. I love this assembly table, and because of the router marks and the epoxy and the paint and the scratches, it's time to replace that top. Something else I've noticed is some of my screw heads are not quite as flush as they should be, and it's created me a couple of scratches in some projects. So I'm going to fix that as well. Showing you some, the cool tools coming out of the aircraft industry with the micro adjust counterstop or countersink, as well as a product called Clecos to make sure that I get a dead-on identical top to match this one. Let me rearrange the camera, and we'll get a new piece of hardboard up here. So the first step is to get the old top off, and I'm just going to remove all the screws and keep them. I may be able to reuse them. So with the new piece underneath, all I have to do is locate all my original screw holes and flush trim off the new piece. But how do you hold that? With these. These are called Clecos, and these are set up for a 1/8 inch hole. So I'll go ahead and drill one hole in the new piece. And using the Cleco pliers, we'll go ahead and install that Cleco. There it goes. And now that can't move. And I'll put several of these all the way around, and then it'll be the ones in the middle that hold it for the flush trim. Now with a flush trim bit set in the trim router, I'll just go ahead and zip these off clean. I'll remove and replace Clecos as I go to make sure everything stays lined up. And now with the micro adjustable countersink locked in, I'll just go ahead and reset the screws. And with that all done, took me all of about 10 minutes. I'll go ahead and use what's left in this little can of Armor Seal and get a little protection on it. Okay, so while finish gears up in here, I want to take just a second and talk about the actual material, because this is not real hardboard. These are the sheet protector that comes on my hardwood dealer's plywood, and they give it away for free. So 10 minutes time, zero money out of pocket, and I should get another 2 years out of this top before I have to jump through this process again. So I hope that works out for you guys. The Clecos are super cool for holding parts together. They also make edge grip Clecos, which work like small clamps. I have some of those on order. Those will be in a future Q&A update video. But yeah, I hope you got something out of it, and let me know if you got questions. Until next time, guys, take care.